So viewer subscriber Wagwan, welcome to 4K Shella Energy. Subscribe if you're new. And in this update we have Popcaan and grab the mic from Tintin. Yeah man, we have to touch upon that topic there. Plus we also have the Caribbean Music Award there, we have to talk upon that. So channel man, as me say, if you're new, subscribe to the channel and we get right into the video.
Oh no, catch a rock ya. With the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any and a rock ya.
So viewer subscriber, so we are kick off the review with Tintin and Popcaan. So channel man, pre the video and then I will give you my honest opinion on it. Cause channel man, we have some people that comment and attack a bag of things, say yo Popcaan just bad mind, and we also have the people them where say yo Tintin wrong for the bad word when cost, and that's why Popcaan take the mic. So channel man, pre the video and uno can make me know when also think about it.
All of you them when one say yo, uno have a talent. Continue do it. Don't make nobody tell you say yo, true not good in 9 months, so no not gonna be nobody. When you can come keep bigger treat than this. Yeah, what the fuck they do about gangsta that she collect in a big way? Yo, substance, why would I get yo, no, I'm saying jump on the
So as you can see, Popcaan take the mic from Tintin. Basically Tintin didn't even finish what him that was say. So I don't know if when Tintin say you can keep bigger treat than this, make Popcaan take the mic, or when Tintin curse the bad word. But I feel like say when Tintin curse the bad word, because you know when you basically encourage the people, you encourage the youth, them say yo, you can keep bigger something than this. You see me? You can be even better than we when you see here. So I don't think I when Tintin say that, I feel like say the bad word where Tintin curse. You see me? But I go read some of the comments and what the people them must say. But viewer subscriber, to be honest, me give Tintin the wrong there, so because it's a kid's street, you don't need to curse a bad word. You see pre, if you sing a song and a bad word in it, you skip over it and continue the song. You see pre. So I feel like say that's why Popcaan take the mic. Even though Popcaan embarrass the artist by doing that, you shouldn't do it like that. You see pre. But me give Tintin the wrong. So the first comment says, the man not say nothing wrong, I just words of encouragement. Popcaan go on to BBC much, but him a take microphone from the youth. Shake me head. The next comment says, ah boy, him never mean nothing bad, but choice of words bro sound disrespectful. Him could have said them can come treat like this, bigger than sound like this. Alright, so two more final comments. So the first one says, to be honest, I just choice of words. Me would have feel a way too. By Popcaan I hold it too, cause I just like words of encouragement. The last comment says, it's a kid's treat and him a curse. Papi was right to take the mic. So dear son of it, you subscriber. People are say a choice of words, and the way him say it when him a say the kids them can come keep bigger treats than this. But we also have a female as say yo, him never needed to curse. So Popcaan was right. So as I say, I feel like say it's because he cursed the bad word. You know what I mean? He never needed to do that, because I don't know, as I said before, a kid's treat. A kid's treat, just keep it respectful, and you know, if you sing a song, as I say, just skip over the bad word. You see pre? But maybe it's the other way around. You see me? Because people don't know how Popcaan stay, and to be honest with your subscriber, I don't know. So me now, I got to just keep it and say it because of the bad word. You see pre? Yeah man, so big up to Tintin, same way, big up to Popcaan. I rate what them I do for the kids them. So viewer subscriber, let me know what you think about that. Let me know if you feel like say if it's because of the bad word that Tintin cursed, or if it's because Tintin said the kids them can come keep a bigger and better treat than this. Let me know what you think. Moving on to our next one.
all of you them when one say yo, uno have a talent. Continue do it. Don't make nobody tell you say yo, true not good in 9 months, so no not gonna be nobody. You can come keep bigger treat than this. Yeah, what the fuck they do about gangsta that she collect in a big way? Yo, substance, why would I
Caribbean Music Award. Hey boy, you think I chatting? Screw, you hear that? Big up to my fans them. Big up to Father God, you hear me I tell you? I want Lucy. Screw.
So if you're a subscriber, as you may know, the Caribbean, or should I say the first Caribbean Music Award kept yesterday in New York, you see me? And more to say big up to everybody will win something and even the ones that didn't, you see me? Because I don't know, say, as Miss D said before, this is the first Caribbean Music Award, and to be honest, this is well deserved. A long time they should have do something like this for the Caribbean music. You see me? I'm really happy to say yo them did something like this for the Caribbean music, because there's a lot of talent in the Caribbean. You see me? Yeah, man. As you can see, King won something. I think Spice also won something. And me know say Massacre won Album of the Year for 438. Yeah, man. Big up to you, Massacre. You really put in the work for deserve that. You see me? Yeah, man. And as me say, big up to the entire show. Because a long time they should have do something like this. You see, pray. Me know say yo enough music awards show out there. And finally, them start for doing for the Caribbean music. Yeah, man. So I'm glad say everybody participate. Big up to the one them as me say we win. Big up to the one them we didn't. You don't know say yo we are listening to the music same way. You see me? We are listening to the music. We are streaming the music. We are praying the work from afar. So continue putting in the work. You see me? Phone time soon reach. Maybe it wasn't yesterday, but phone time will reach. So if you're a subscriber, make me know to think about any of the topic them I touch upon. As always, this is 4K Shala Energy. I am 4K Shala Energy. Be a subscriber. Catch you now in our next one.